and welcome back to BRM Driving School. So, still in our quarantine period. Hopefully it won't be lasting too much longer so we can get back to lessons, but I thought of a little something to kill the boredom whilst I'm at home pretty much doing nothing. All I've been doing is playing GTA on the PlayStation. I want to do something different, and something I realised is my YouTube account is nearing to 1,000 subscribers, about 975, 980 at the moment, give or take a few. I thought, getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, I want to do a little special video for it, and I want to do like a Q&A, ask me anything, like on Reddit, and when I hit 1,000 subscribers, going to release that video. So if you've got a question that you want me to answer, it can be driving related, non-driving related, anything you can think of, ask me a question and I'll answer on that 1,000 subscriber special. So leave a comment down below with your question, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so that'll get that video out just a little bit quicker. Hit the notification bell so when it does go up, you won't miss it at all. And also, maybe you got some friends who watch the channel, maybe need a bit of help, maybe they're better at learning off YouTube videos. Get them on the channel, because I want to post a lot more things going forward, which will be a benefit to everyone, whether they're in Oxford or wherever. So hit like, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you've got a question you want to answer, or want me to answer I should say, and I look forward to seeing what questions you want to ask, and I'll see you next time.